Oh. That was good. I don't know if they all lit though. Yeah, they all got lit, but they didn't run from each other.
Yeah, I tried.
It's all good. It's all good. We got one to spin out of control.
Yeah. I was kind of scared because your jacket was right there. I was like,
Oh, that thing won't catch on fire.
Yeah, okay.
It's a welder's jacket.
Well, I didn't know.
Alright, that wicks together. Dun, dun, dun. Figure I gotta use these up anyway. I hope no one calls the fire department.
Fucking two tires out in the street. This one girl keeps on screaming every time she lights something.
The other one's filming it.
We're cool as shit, whatever.
I think that should be okay.
Alright.
We still got one more pack.
Ow! I'm scared!
Just light it and run like hell.
I know, but the wing keeps on... Ow. Yeah, I definitely got my finger.
That was the coolest thing ever.
Oh my gosh, my fingers are gonna go to pieces.
Alright, well.